If you've been playing Crypto Miner Tycoon in 2025 and you're wondering whether you can actually withdraw your earnings, this guide is for you. A lot of people download the game thinking it might be a new way to earn real crypto or even real cash. And honestly, that's understandable. The name of the game, the mining theme, and especially the exchange button all make it look like there might be a real payout system behind it. But here's the truth. Crypto Miner Tycoon is not a real earning app, and the money you make inside the game is not actual cryptocurrency. It's simply in-game currency designed to make the simulation fun. This is where many players get confused. When they see the exchange option, they assume they'll be able to cash out to PayPal, Gcash, Binance, or a crypto wallet. But that's not how the game works. To be clear, Crypto Miner Tycoon is not a scam. It's just a regular simulation game where you build virtual mining rigs, level up your setup, and watch your numbers grow. The problem is that many people misinterpret the gameplay as real mining. The app never claims you can withdraw real money. It just uses mining-inspired graphics and terminology. So, if you're searching for a cash out button or trying to figure out how to convert your game coins into real crypto, you won't find any legitimate method. Because there isn't one. There is no withdrawal process, no secret trick, and no hidden feature you need to unlock. No matter how much in-game currency you earn, it stays inside the game. Everything you accumulate is meant purely for entertainment and progression. If you're actually looking for real earning apps or platforms where you can earn crypto, passive income, or small rewards, you'll need to look elsewhere. There are legitimate methods online, like actual cloud mining services, staking, survey apps, or freelance platforms, but Crypto Miner Tycoon isn't one of them. So, to summarize, no, you cannot withdraw money from Crypto Miner Tycoon into. It's a fun simulation game, not a real income source. If your goal is real earnings, make sure to research trusted platforms instead of relying on games that only look like mining apps.